Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn how to reverse a text or a sentence or whatever there is in a cell to backwards. So I have a text called apple here. So the spelling is Apple. Now when I reverse it, I want the spelling to appear as Elppa. You can use this function for many cases. For example, you want to encode something, or you want something to be secret and only the other person knows how to decode it and all those things. This is one of the best methods you can do. In other project needs, if the text is very improper to you and the text appears in backwards, you want to make it correct, you can reverse the text and get it. Now unfortunately in Excel we do not have a function to reverse the text, but we can create one. So let's create a custom function by ourselves to reverse whichever text we want to reverse. For that, let us go to developer tab here and click on Visual Basic. Alternatively, you can also press Alt plus F11 in your keyboard. Now, this is the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. Here you cannot write the code, so we'll go to this white area here, which is called as the Project Explorer, and right click and then go to Insert, and let's insert a module. Now, since we are creating a function here, do not write your code in sheet 1 or this workbook. Always insert a new module and then write your function. Let's start by writing function, or let's declare this as a public function. So public function, and now it is time to give a name to your function. Let's call this reverse. Now let's open the parenthesis and write by val cell as a range. Now cell is just a random keyword I have given. You can use any word you want. Now close the parenthesis, and this is the argument. Now what is an argument? I'll show you an example. When you're using a function called sum, so is equal to sum, and you open the parenthesis, there is number 1, number 2, the things we have to give as input. That is called arguments in an Excel function. Now the arguments we want in this function reverse is the cell, that is the range. For example, I have to select. Let's go back to the worksheet. So if I'm writing is equal to reverse and I am selecting this particular cell, I want the reverse of the text in it. So this particular cell A1 is my argument. Let's go back to the editor here. So by val cell as a range, and let's declare the data type of the reverse function. Now here I just want a text, right? So it will be a string, and let's click enter. So inside this portion, let us write our code. Reverse, which is the function which we named now, is equal to vba dot str, that is string str reverse. In parenthesis we'll write cell. Cell is the argument which we declared here, cell dot value. So cell is the range, and whatever value is present in that particular range, we'll string reverse it. And let's close the parenthesis here and click enter. That's it. The function is created now. Let's go back to our worksheet by clicking on Alt plus F11, and here is the worksheet, and let's see if that function is appearing now. Let's write is equal to reverse. Yes, Excel is suggesting us the function we just created. Now let's select that, and inside this we need an argument. The argument is select the cell you want to reverse. So let's select this A1, that is apple, and let's close the parenthesis and let's click enter. As you can see, the text is reversed now. Instead of APPLE, it is now ELPPA. And let's drag this formula down to here, and as you can see, every term is reversed. Now this particular cell is an already reversed thing, so I'll show you what will happen when we are reversing. This is equal to reverse, and let's select this particular cell and close. Now I'll click enter, and is this a code? Now that was the text I encoded here by reversing it. Any person who looks at this particular term will not understand what it is. So if you want to send someone an Excel sheet but you don't want to log or anything, and only that person will understand the particular meaning or anything, you can just send it out in a reverse way. So let me try reversing what I just reversed now. Is equal to reverse, and I'll select this particular cell and close the parenthesis and click enter. See, I got apple. I reversed apple and then reversed the answer of that. So let's drag this formula down till here. As you can see, I got the values from the beginning. Now, this is how you can create your own custom function to reverse a text in Excel. You can reverse multiple sentences, paragraphs, or anything, whichever that is present inside a cell, you can reverse it. I hope this video was clear to you, and I have posted many videos about user-defined functions, other functions, regular functions in Excel, VBA, and all other things. Please take a look into it. Thank you.